Hello boys and girls. Welcome to Storytime with Auntie Stacee. I'm Auntie Stacee. I'm so glad you came to read with me. The story I'm going to share with you today is called Penguin Friends.
In this book, you'll meet king penguins, a chinstrap penguin, and one lonely macaroni, as seen through the eyes of the oakum boys, which are what king penguin babies are before they grow up. All of these penguin species, and a few more, are found in Antarctica, the coldest, driest, windiest place on Earth. It takes some very special qualities to survive in this harsh landscape. But if you are lucky enough to visit here, you will find that no matter how alike the penguins seem, each one is different, and all of them special. We hope that by learning about these amazing animals, future generations will want to protect them. We are the Oakum Boys, baby king penguins. We do everything together. Penguins don't fly, they swim. But we're too young to swim, so we walk. One day, we went for a long walk. We walked and walked until we saw someone new. Look! He's got something on his head. I'm a macaroni penguin. We said hello to him and kept on walking. Then, you're changing. So are you. We're all grown up now. It's not so bad. It's not so cold anymore. But who's going to teach us how to swim? I will. Who's that? I'm a chinstrap penguin. Come play with us. So, the king penguins, the macaroni penguin, and the chinstrap penguin all became penguin friends.
This is the end of the story. What was your favorite part of the story? If you enjoyed the story, ask a grown-up to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with all of your cousins and friends. See you next time.